In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Facebook ads to HubSpot, making your marketing efforts seamless and more efficient. Whether you're looking to streamline your advertising processes or just starting out, this guide will help you bridge the gap between these two powerful platforms. First, let's dive into HubSpot. Start by navigating to the marketing section. Once you're there, look for the ads option. This is where you'll manage all your advertising accounts and gain insights into their performance. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this area as it will become the central hub for your integrated campaigns. Once you're in the ads section, the next thing you need to do is connect your Facebook account. To do this, head over to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Connect Account. Clicking this will present you with several options, but for our purposes, you'll want to select Facebook. This step is crucial as it establishes the foundation for the connection between your Facebook ads and HubSpot. Now, a pop-up window will appear. This is where you'll authorize the connection between the two platforms. It might seem like just another login screen, but here's where you need to be attentive. Enter your Facebook login details and make sure you grant HubSpot all the requested permissions. This step ensures that HubSpot can pull in all necessary data from your Facebook ads account, giving you comprehensive analytics and integration capabilities. It's important to note that granting permissions is not just a formality, it's what allows HubSpot to access and manage your advertising data effectively. Without these permissions, you might miss out on crucial features that can enhance your marketing performance. Once you've logged in and authorized all permissions, take a moment to confirm that everything is synced correctly. You should see indications within HubSpot that your account is connected. This connection will allow you to monitor ad performance directly from HubSpot, saving you time and providing a unified view of your marketing efforts. And that's it. You've successfully connected Facebook ads to HubSpot. This integration will enable you to manage your campaigns more efficiently, track performance with ease, and optimize your marketing strategy based on comprehensive data insights. Remember, keeping your platforms connected not only streamlines your workflow but also enhances the accuracy of your reporting, which is invaluable for making informed business decisions. I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your Facebook ads with HubSpot. If you have any questions or run into issues, HubSpot support resources are a great place to find assistance. Thanks for watching and happy marketing.